quite a bit has happened today. Let's put up a chart of the S&P. I haven't had a chance to put everything that we have done or forecast up yet, but I do want to give you the best of what I've got here. So you can see a pretty big advance here, and I told you that we had forecast that the market yesterday, that the S&P, if it closed above a certain level, and that level was $4,508 on the week, and it did close above 4508 on the week, that it would be advancing up to 4645 to 46. And in normal conditions where there's no big pressure yet from a larger time frame top that we think is being put in those conditions, it would move up to 4684, 4682 to 84, or even 86. And all of that has happened in a single day here. So this is a really important completion. There's a lot here. This information was given out on Thursday or earlier, but I think as I recall, it was Thursday of last week. I think that's the 2nd of December, that if the week closed above 4508, then we would start moving up towards 4645, and then under really normal conditions, the market would be up at 4684, 82 to 84, and even a little higher on the upside. So all in one day, really, I mean, we did have a decent day yesterday, but all in one day today, they really showed their hand and rushed up to complete these important levels. So we're really pleased with all that. A lot of little intraday things happening as well. The market's still in a very strong position. If you take a look at how the market has traded today, it's really compressed and still very, very strong. So this, I think, may include the Globex. So let's take the Globex off. Whoops. And let's take a look at how this will appear without the concept of the Globex. So you can see this is the gap opening. This is where we've consolidated. We've rushed up to the 84, and you can see that we've closed at 87 here. We closed at 84. We closed at 86. All of those closes are neutral to 84 to 86, but still we think they have a pretty good shot of making new highs. I haven't had a chance, actually, because we've been so busy with just this part of the move and the completion, to put together further work that will tell us, the next levels that are important. One, I don't mind telling you that one of the next levels that is important to us is 97 to 98 on the upside. But there is enough here to say that the market, because of the way they've acted today, it's probably a trend day up. So we're super pleased to see this, a super important forecast. And one thing that you wouldn't know unless you're a subscriber is, where is this market going to trade on the week of December 20th? And we have that forecast out now, and the conditions that would be in place to have the market trade at a very specific level on the week of December 20th. And it is plus or minus a week, so it could occur 1 week early. And that's, that could be an interesting set of conditions here. I don't mind saying that if the market did have trouble, if it did go up, because we don't have a further forecast than these numbers right now, but if it did go up and complete 4697 to 98, and if it failed there, like as an example, not being able to close above those levels on the daily chart, that could prompt new short side action for us, for very specific targets on the downside that we believe would occur. So there's a lot here, and there's an awful lot of volatility. This has been just fantastic volatility, wonderful volatility, like Christmas, waking up for Christmas presents volatility.